The role of air conditioning in transportation of food or perishable goods or people is no more seen as a privilege or a comfort. It has become a much more required necessity of the people around the world today. But this comfort is come up with a huge penalty to the environment. The emission due to engine exhaust and artificial refrigerants has expedited the global warming phenomenon and has become a threat to our planet. Continuous exposure to these pollutants is significantly deteriorating the air quality of cities and is taking toll on the health of local people. So, scientists from all over the world are working towards development of new technologies which can increase the efficiency and reduce emissions of engines and use waste heat recovery for heating and cooling requirement of the automobiles. Use of exhaust heat, which accounts for 30 to 40% of fuel energy, has been one of the priorities for many automobile technology developers. If this exhaust heat can be used for meeting the HVAC loads of the automobile space, then the efficiency of the automobile can be enhanced substantially. Global leading research organizations are engaged in extensive research activities to develop technology to provide HVAC solution using automotive engine waste. But these efforts have been not successful so far due to technological challenges and complex dynamic nature of the requirement. Thermax, a globally respected high-performance organization, offering sustainable solutions in the field of energy and environment, introduced world's first and most efficient triple effect absorption chiller with a COP of 1.8, making it world's most efficient absorption chiller available. Continuing its legacy in research and innovation, Thermax took a giant stride in the field of vehicle air conditioning system by developing the new technology which uses engine exhaust gas for the operation of air conditioning unit. The application of this technology can be extended to electrical hybrid vehicles as well. Thermax introduces a patented thermally activated air conditioning system. This revolutionary product offers the benefits like 50% reduction in the fuel consumption as compared to vapor compression system, 50% reduction in emissions due to fuel and conventional refrigerants, lower heat rejection to ambient by absorbing major part of the heat from vehicle exhaust gases, leading to less carbon footprint, use of natural refrigerant for air conditioning system. It frees more power for traction when needed, most like driving in ghats and mountain roads. This product is portrayed of Thermax's supremacy in engineering and innovation. The bus HVAC system developed by Thermax is based on principle of solid sorption heat pump. The sorption material in the form of powder has characteristics to absorb, desorb the refrigerant at specific pressure and temperature. Sorption modules in the typical sorption heat pump are identical, gets into regeneration and cooling mode alternatively. During regeneration mode of operation, exhaust gas from engine, which is at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius, transfers heat to the sorption module. During this process, the sorption module gets charged. Due to transfer of heat to the sorption module, the outlet temperature of the exhaust gas gets reduced to 100 to 150 degrees Celsius and cooled exhaust gas is finally rejected to atmosphere. This charged sorption module has capacity to provide cooling in cooling mode of operation. In a cooling mode of operation, return air from bus passenger cabin is passed over the sorption module, which was in regeneration mode in previous cycle. As the return air passes over the sorption module starts discharging, and in this process, cooling of the return air is achieved. This cool air is supplied to vehicle air conditioning ducts as a supply air. The journey was not easy as impediments were inevitable in the path towards every breakthrough. The challenges that were addressed while the product development are: system design within allowable engine back pressure, handling of high temperature exhaust gases, high temperature and high pressure design of heat exchanger modules, that is HEM, in-house development of high performance, low-cost catalyst powder and supply of continuous cooling to passenger cabin considering the intermittent operation of sorption air conditioning system, limiting the system weight to minimize fuel penalty, and system ergonomic design to fit it within available space. Continuous innovation and improvement in technology for a decade, and expertise in the field of combustion, heat and mass transfer, material science, advanced manufacturing processes has made this long-cherished dream a reality.
Thermax has been working on conversion of the exhaust gas into HVAC, especially for the automobile applications. Beginning from a very fundamental R&D, we have taken this all the way to building a device. Today it gives me really a great pleasure to announce that we have reached a stage where this product is almost ready to be launched into the commercial market, especially for the OEMs and the bus manufacturers. This is kind of a beginning of our great journey in the field of clean technologies, which will give the community reduction in the fuel, higher efficiency, reduction in the emissions, and therefore we feel that this product will be a product which is world class.
In a world that is rapidly moving towards energy conservation and adoption of new green technologies, this path-breaking exhaust gas-driven air conditioning system makes automotive industry economically more viable and environmentally more sustainable to the world.